And this is your spacious living and the dining area. This is your spacious kitchen area. So the open kitchen and this is the most spacious room of your house. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jaitil, and today we'll be doing the sample flight tour of Purva Silver Sky, developed by Puravankara Group, and this project is located in Electronic City Phase 2, Bangalore. And right now I'm standing on the main entrance. So this is the main entrance of Purva Silver Sky and the land parcel starts from here. So once you enter, on my right hand side is the marketing office. Now before entering, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview via this 3D model. So the project is spread across 7 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 towers, with each tower of basement, ground plus 32 floors, offering you 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK premium penthouse. Coming to the amenities part, and this project offers you luxurious amenities like here's the basketball court, garden area, swimming pool, kids play zone, football ground, clubhouse and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the location part, and this project is located just opposite to Florencia Institute on Huskur Road in Electronic City Phase 2, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this is the Huskur Road, and this road will connect you towards Huskur, and this is your Florencia Institute. And now this road on the opposite side will take you towards Electronic City flyover. Now over this side is our main entrance of the project. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and location part. So basically you can connect to Nexon, Doctors Academy in 260 meters, Huskur Metro is 1.2 kilometers away, and M5 ECT Mall is 1.6 kilometers from this location. So this is your 3.5 BHK model flat of 2300 square feet super built up area. Let's have a look at this beautiful model flat. But before that, let me inform you that they have a main entrance just behind me and a separate entry and exit for the 0.5 room. Now let's enter through your main entrance. So here's the door in, and where they have provided the digital door lock for your security, and for your privacy here's the huge foyer area where you can add up your shoe rack. Now through this foyer area you can enter towards your living area. And this is your spacious living and the dining area. First let's focus upon the living area where you can add up your TV unit, your sofa set and your own decor. They have even provided a perfect huge balcony deck area. So once you step inside, here is your wooden finishing flooring, toughened glass railing, and this balcony has 3 side open view, so you can enjoy a perfect scenic view from this balcony. Now let's enter towards your dining area. So now let's step inside your living and the dining area, and now let's focus upon the dining space. So this is your huge dining area where you can set easily 6 to 8 seater of dining table, and this is a space where you can add up your own decor, you can add up your bar counter, your cutlery space, or as used in a multi-purpose way. And now this is your spacious kitchen area. So the open kitchen concept makes it more spacious, and you can have a look the beautiful interior done for your reference with the cabinets, the L-shaped platform, and this side is the serving platform, again the cabinet as well. And over this side is your utility space, the spacious one. Comes with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, provision for your machine over here, and again a platform attached with your sink area. And this is the access for your 0.5 room, the second access. So this is your 0.5 room which you can use in a multi-purpose way. You can add up your study room, your work table, staff room, or else in a mini way, which has a separate powder area as well, with indiscrete flooring and sanitary fittings. Now let's move further towards your bedroom spaces, and let's move. So now basically your bedroom number 1 is on my right hand side, another 2 bedrooms on the left hand side. So let's move further towards your bedroom number 1. And this is the entrance for your bedroom number 1. So once you enter, let me show you the spacious one. So this is a spacious bedroom with a huge bed space in the center of the room, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, which is half movable and half stuck one. Now you can add up the TV unit right in front of your bed. And over this side is your wardrobe space, the huge wardrobe area, and just beside it is the attached washroom. So attached washroom, let's focus upon the attached washroom with anti-skid flooring, CP sanitary fittings, and shower area is divided via tile drop. Now we'll be moving further towards your bedroom number 2, which is on the other side of the house. So you have to walk through your living and the dining area. So over this side is your bedroom number 2. And this is much more spacious. This is the spacious room area. So you can have a look, the ample of space in the room to walk around with a huge bed space, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and the wardrobe space, which is opposite over this side. This is a wardrobe space and a private washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Now let's move further to check the rest of the house. So once you step outside, let me show you a cross window, which is right over this side for cross ventilation, and the powder room exactly in front of your bedroom number 2 with anti-skid flooring and sanitary fittings. Now the master bedroom is just behind me, but before that let me introduce you all with all the key feature of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. So now let's enter towards your master bedroom. And over this side is the master bedroom. So once you step inside the master bedroom, let's focus upon the flooring, the proper wooden flooring, and a huge foyer area for your privacy that gives you perfect privacy. No bed space is visible from your living area. And this is the most spacious room of your house. The master bed in the center, and here they have added up the TV unit space with the work table as well. And the perfect and the beautiful part, that is the balcony. So a private balcony with wooden finishing, anti-skid flooring, toughened glass railing, and this balcony gives you two-side open view. You can add a chair and a table and enjoy a perfect sip of coffee with the beautiful skies and nature. Now once you step inside, let's focus upon another part of your room. So over this side is the cross window for cross ventilation, and you can have a look with a separate wardrobe space, the dressing area, and a private washroom as well. So your master washroom is right over this side with anti-skid flooring, CP sanitary fitting, and the shower area is divided via tile drop. So now, as you all know, we are here at Puravankara Group's project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of this project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.